Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the refined power and elegance of the 2026 Audi Q8, a luxury SUV that continues to redefine what it means to drive in style and confidence. Audi has taken the already impressive Q8 and pushed the limits even further, offering a blend of performance, design, and technology that feels both futuristic and unmistakably premium. The 2026 Audi Q8 gets a sharper look with redesigned front and rear fasces, featuring a more aggressive grille and sleeker LED headlights that now include Audi's new digital light signatures. The overall stance is athletic, low-slung for an SUV, and it's packed with presence. Whether it's cruising through city streets or parked in your driveway, the Q8 demands attention. Under the hood, the Q8 continues to offer a range of powertrains, with the standard model packing a turbocharged V6 that delivers smooth yet thrilling acceleration. But for those craving more muscle, the SQ8 and RSQ8 variants unleash a twin-turbo V8 that roars with over 500 horsepower. These higher trims transform the Q8 into a true performance SUV capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. All-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, and precision steering make it a dream to drive, whether you're hugging corners or soaking up highway miles. Step inside and you're greeted with Audi's signature approach to luxurious sleek surfaces, high-quality materials, and tech that feels straight out of the future. The 2026 Q8 now features an upgraded infotainment system with a more responsive interface and expanded voice control capabilities. The dual-screen setup remains, giving you control over navigation, media, and climate with crystal-clear graphics and haptic feedback. And if you're a fan of ambient lighting, the customizable interior glow can now adapt based on driving mode and mood. Passenger comfort is top-notch, with spacious seating for 5 in a rear seat area that feels almost executive. Leather, suede, and wood or metal trims combine to create a cabin that feels both modern and warm. The cargo area is generous, and with the rear seats folded, it offers enough room for serious gear or luggage on weekend getaways. Safety and driver assistance features are more advanced than ever. The Q8 includes adaptive cruise assist, lane keeping tech, and a 360-degree camera system. For 2026, Audi has enhanced its predictive efficiency assist, which helps save fuel by analyzing traffic flow and road data in real time. It's not just smart, it's thoughtful. The 2026 Audi Q8 is a statement piece. It's where performance meets polish, where everyday practicality meets elite craftsmanship. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or someone who values quiet luxury, the Q8 delivers across the board. That's it for today's spotlight on the 2026 Audi Q8. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the most exciting cars on the road, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay locked in with Rolling Legends, where the road meets legend. Thanks for watching.